Hello my friends, welcome to Trading Mechanics. Today is 12th of July 2023. So today we're going to take a quick look at this company Pestech. Pestech, the price of Pestech has dropped significantly from the high last time. Okay, we're talking about Pestech. Once was 163. Okay, 1 ringgit 63. Okay, at one time. Okay, now the price has dropped to 28 cents, right? 28 cents. It initially dropped even lower, but now, right, Pestech probably consider cheap. So we want to take a quick look, whether there's a possibility, right, to potential, peak bottom for this Pestech. Before we start, let's check the disclaimer first. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, before we start, let's take a look at Pestech. Let's check out a quick explanation, a summary of Pestech in this KLSE screener. Let's check out.
Pestech International Berhad is a Malaysia-based electrical power technology company. The company operates through three segments: investment, engineering, procurement, manufacturing, construction, and commissioning of power substations, EPMCC, and product. Its investment segment is engaged in the investment and property holding activities. Its EPMCC segment is engaged in the engineering, procurement, manufacturing, construction and commissioning of power substations, transmission lines and rail electrifications. Its product segment is engaged in designing and supplying remote control system and data communication products. The company's business is divided into 6 segments, which includes high voltage, HV, and extra high voltage, EHV, electrical system, transmission line and power cables, infrastructure asset management, power generation, rail electrification and signaling, and power distribution and smart grid. Its products include control relay panels and others.
So now we know Pestech is this electric infrastructure company, right? So Pestech, so it's an electric infrastructure company. So they got their product, it's all for this building electric infrastructure and control, this type of system. They also got EV charging. EV charging is another new product, that they bring to the market. So let's see. So they got EPCC transmission line, underground power generation, rail electrification, digitalization, rural electrification, project highlight, ongoing project. Let's see what's the ongoing project. We got RTS rapid transit link between Malaysia and Singapore, CBU substation project. This one establishment of PMU. This one is the station, right? Double circuit, underground cable, Klang Valley electrified double track area, project Southern double track. So a lot of these are real. Supply delivery of smart meter, smart billing, project development phase 2, 3-phase smart meter with PLC communication. Cambodia, this is Malaysia. They got project in Cambodia. Okay, Philippines, Papua New Guinea lah. So their business is okay, not bad lah. It's quite expanding. Okay, so let's take a look at the management board of director. Let's see. Okay, executive chairman Lima Hawk, managing director group CEO. Okay, so this the guy. This is a person running the company. Paul Lim Pei Chuan. This is executive director Stanley Lim, senior independent non-executive director. Okay, IR Amil bin Yahya. Okay, so this is the person that has the license seems like it. Okay, because he's the IR, right? Okay, the electric the license to deploy all the electrical infrastructure lah. So we got independent non-executive director Mr. Ng. Okay. Okay, so we know this company is quite big lah, okay, and their business is expanding overseas. Let's take a look at their this account, okay. So they are in main market, industrial, in engineering. Take a look at the ROE, return of equity, or negative 27. So recently they are doing quite bad. PE also 1.94 drop. Earning per share also dropped 14.69. So recently they are doing quite bad. Market cap is 282 million. Okay, so let's take a look at total cash 137 million. Total debt 1 billion over 1.35 billion. Debt to cash is 9.821. Debt to equity 2.5. This company very high debt. Okay, so it's quite a high risk because of having so high debt. Okay, look at the annual report. So business have been doing quite well. Okay, from since 2016 until 2021, but starting 2022 business has dropped. Okay, and still profit, but this year, okay, let's see the quarter report. This year already third quarter. Okay, business already reached third quarter, and every quarter they has been losing money. So this company has started lost money since four quarter in a row. Okay. Let's see. Now we got one more quarter to recover. That doesn't seem like the annual report would be positive yet. Okay. Now now their revenue is 329 million. Already lost 132 million. Okay, so this will be a year. I think it will record one of the biggest losses for the company. Okay. Okay, so they need to have more project running. Okay, see any dividend or not? Okay, so dividend up to financial year 21. So this company after 21, okay, it's not doing so well anymore. So let's take a quick look. NTA, net tangible asset 0.5, price to book value 0.54. Okay, so it's considered slightly cheap. Okay, let's take a look at the chart. See what the chart tells us. Okay, so this company is significantly drop. Suddenly these 2 days they have momentum. They have volume coming in. Let's see today what's the volume. Every 7 million, now 25 million. Okay, so the potential that this stock might be heading up in the short term. Okay, but let's see from the bottom. The lowest point it reached is 0.15. So it's very cheap, 0.15. Okay, so it should not drop anymore that they drop until 0.15. Okay, so now there is a rebound, but for me I want to wait for the pattern. Okay, so let's take a quick look at let's see what's the pattern. Okay. Okay, so this downtrend pattern is really broken through. Okay, so there is a big resistance over here. So I want to see whether it can go through the resistance or not. 0.285. Okay, now the price is at 0.285. So for me, right, first I want to wait for it at least to make a pattern. Okay, after it break to 0.285, it either it retrace back, make a higher low. Okay, starting to rebound. Okay, make a uptrend channel. Okay. probably towards this target kenanga got 0.66 okay, potential, okay, or okay, after you make a lower high, okay, or it make a double bottom, okay, rebound, okay, then potential, then only I will come, probably then only I will start to collect lah. For this push already went up so far, so I will not be buying over here. RSI already overbought. I will wait for RSI to come back to the middle, rebound, okay, and see where does it rebound. Then only probably I will start to collect. And another thing, I want to see this. Okay, the quarter report. See where's the quarter report coming. Okay, the report is coming here. August. Okay, August 23rd. Okay. Sorry, August 29th. Okay, so it's coming soon. The year end one. Okay, it's coming soon. August 29th, next month. Okay, so potential. Okay, we hopefully the next month, the next report. Okay, the previous 3 quarter. Okay. First quarter lost 60 million, second quarter 10 million, third quarter 60 million. So these losses need to be cut down. Okay, need to be cut down. And you see the revenue has dropped compared to last year. You see, compared to last year, drop. Okay, so when the revenue dropped to 132 million, okay, the revenue dropped from 200 over to 132 million. So they start to make losses, right? Okay, means that operation, right? Okay, operation cost all this need the company to make more revenue to cover okay. So if next year, if they keep on making this revenue, right, below this 130, right, okay, probably it's difficult for them to continue make profit probably. Okay, you see, judging from here so you see, right, always 120, 200, 170, so they're almost making profit. Once it drop to 132, so they're unable to maintain profit because the operation costs everything. So most likely, okay, they need to pump up. Okay, when we see a revenue goes up above 132, okay, 132 and above, then potential, okay, they might turn around. For now, want to see the fourth quarter, how good, okay, they can come up with the numbers, what numbers they can record, and is it a better number, and what are the P&L. But the important thing is revenue, right? You see they need to bring the revenue up, okay, to above 132. Okay, then potential, okay, we also potential only they can turn it around. Okay, revenue need to go higher, and of course if revenue go higher, okay, the P&L will automatically, I think most likely will turn back to green. Okay, so we have to wait a bit and see, probably give you some time. And for this pattern, okay, I think most likely, okay, there will be a rebound. Okay, they will make another. Either what happened, okay? If we continue to make losses, this rebound could be short-lived, come back, retest this bottom, this level. Okay, this level, breakthrough is coming down again. Okay, break. Okay, or okay, this level. But this level is really very low it's already 15 cents so it cannot drop anymore it should not drop anymore okay. So if we make another, if it drop below, then be careful. Okay, if we got stuck here, come back down, make a higher low, turn around, okay, then there is a potential to pick So even though next few days, if we shoot direct up this is, I will not change because it's too late for me. I think it's too late already. I will wait for the next one. And I will monitor give it 1 month to monitor. Okay, how is the fourth quarter? Okay, fourth quarter, and whether they got any new project coming in. Maybe in the next few days, this big rebound could be due to they might have some new project coming so some announcement coming soon, then maybe it can fly straight away If it flies straight away, we have to wait and see when does it rebound when does it correct. Okay, when did it make the bottom? I mean the pattern. Okay, uptrend pattern. Okay, so that's it for Pestech. I'll talk to you again later. Bye bye.